AI is shaking things up in personal finance management, making it not just smarter, but a whole lot easier to keep track of your money. Imagine having tools like robo-advisors and predictive analytics doing the heavy lifting for you. No more guesswork in investing and budgeting. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for a while, these AI wonders are here to help you manage your finances like a pro. Have you ever considered letting a robot take the wheel when it comes to your money? As these tools get smarter, they're not just crunching numbers. They're flipping the script on how we think about cash altogether. But before we dive deeper, don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Welcome to Market Reflect, your money's new best friend. Ever felt your budget spreadsheet judging you? Meet the AI tools that'll fix your finances without the guilt trip. Managing money has never been fun, until now. AI-powered financial tools like Wally and SoFi are stepping in, taking over the tedious bits and making personal finance accessible to everyone. Wally isn't just your average budgeting app. It categorizes your expenses automatically, shows you where your money is vanishing, and even suggests when to save. Meanwhile, SoFi uses your financial data to analyze your creditworthiness, offering lower interest rates and better saving strategies. And these tools don't just stop at tracking. They unify your bank accounts, monitor your spending habits, and throw in personalized recommendations that feel like having a financial advisor in your pocket, minus the hefty fee. Your crystal ball for money moves. Forget guesswork. Predictive analytics is here to change the game. By analyzing massive chunks of historical data and market trends, AI tools can forecast financial outcomes with great accuracy. Take JP Morgan Chase, for example.
Machine learning and artificial intelligence. These are technologies that are really changing the face of business.
They're using machine learning to predict cash flows for businesses, ensuring no one gets caught short at the wrong time. For individuals, this tech means smarter decisions. AI tools can help you avoid overdraft fees by forecasting expenses, plan for big purchases, and even model retirement scenarios. Robo-advisors like Magnify take it further by offering investment advice tailored to market shifts, ensuring your portfolio stays as sharp as you are. Personalized financial advice. Ever feel like financial advice is written for someone else? AI is flipping the script, making money management personal. Gone are the days when financial advice came in one-size-fits-all formats. AI algorithms now analyze everything from your bank balance to your spending habits to offer advice tailored specifically to you. Using machine learning and natural language processing, these tools can even consider your credit history to recommend strategies for improving your financial health. Hybrid advisory models are also on the rise, blending AI efficiency with human creativity. Imagine an AI crunching numbers and a human advisor, interpreting the results to suit your personality and goals. This combo delivers hyper-personalized advice that's smarter, faster, and more empathetic. Investing used to be scary, right? AI is turning the stock market into a playground for everyone. AI isn't just managing your everyday finances, it's revolutionizing wealth management. Robo-advisors like Magnify are leading the charge, offering personalized investment strategies at a fraction of the cost of traditional advisors. Magnify even acts like a co-pilot, helping you navigate risk, diversify your portfolio, and hit your long-term financial goals. And let's talk about quant funds, those super smart investment vehicles that use advanced statistical models to make trading decisions. Quant funds reduce human error by basing decisions on data rather than gut feelings. Sure, they might miss the mark during bull markets, but they're a lifesaver in volatile times. Banking for the unbanked. What if you didn't need a bank account to access financial services? AI is breaking barriers worldwide. AI is opening the doors of the financial world to populations that have historically been left out. In developing countries, AI-driven platforms analyze alternative data like phone usage and bill payments to assess creditworthiness. This means loans can be approved faster and with fewer barriers. Take WorldCoin, for instance. This global cryptocurrency platform uses biometric scanning to ensure that users are legit and don't sign up multiple times. With just an ID and a phone number, individuals can gain access to financial services they never thought possible. Inclusivity doesn't stop there. Adaptive AI interfaces like Connecting Uno are making banking accessible for the elderly and disabled. By personalizing interactions and simplifying digital platforms, these tools are turning financial literacy into a universal right. Outsmarting the scammers. Scammers are getting smarter, but guess what? AI is staying one step ahead. The rise of AI has brought incredible benefits, but it's also given scammers new tools like Worm GPT and Fraud GPT to wreak havoc. That's where AI-driven fraud detection steps in. Machine learning algorithms now monitor real-time transactions and flagging anything fishy before it turns into a disaster. Take Equifax OneScore, for example. This machine learning tool doesn't just look at your credit card payments, it digs into utility bills, subscription services, and more to create a more accurate credit profile. It's fraud detection and financial empowerment rolled into one. The secret sauce behind fintech innovation. Think every bank has a secret lab full of AI geniuses? Think again. Outsourcing is driving the revolution. Not every financial institution has the resources to build cutting-edge AI tools in-house. That's where outsourcing comes in. Companies like Lateral and Indata Labs specialize in creating AI-powered financial solutions. From budgeting apps to robo-advisors, even startups are cashing in. Take Ezra, a healthcare AI company that secured $40 million in funding by partnering with a development studio. These collaborations allow fintech firms to scale faster, innovate more, and compete with the big players, all without breaking the bank. And here's a fun twist. Outsourcing is creating new jobs. Financial data analysts, project managers, and operations experts are now in high demand to manage these AI integrations. AI as your personal finance tutor. Did you miss Finance 101 in school? AI's got your back, no judgment included. Generative AI is becoming the go-to tool for people looking to improve their financial literacy. For Gen Z and millennials especially, tools like Wally GPT simplify complex topics like credit scores and budgeting. It's like having a financial coach that's always on call and won't charge you $200 an hour. According to research, 67% of users report feeling more productive and confident in their financial decisions thanks to AI. But here's the kicker. Not all advice is golden. Experts recommend cross-checking AI-generated tips with trusted sources to avoid falling for misinformation. Think AI is here to replace your financial advisor? Nope, it's their new best friend. Financial advisors aren't going anywhere, but they're getting an upgrade. AI tools now help advisors predict market trends, assess client risk, and even automate tedious tasks like budgeting and tax optimization. This frees up advisors to focus on what they do best, giving tailored, strategic advice. With these enhanced capabilities, advisors can justify premium fees while delivering more value to clients. It's a win-win, with AI doing the heavy lifting and humans providing the personal touch. What's next? Think AI has peaked? Spoiler alert, it's just getting started. The AI in BFSI, banking, financial services, and insurance market was valued at $20 billion in 2022. But hold on to your wallet, it's expected to hit $100 billion by 2032. This growth will be fueled by cleaner data, better models, and advanced applications. Imagine conversational AI that's indistinguishable from a human, guiding you through complex financial decisions. Or AI tools that not only detect fraud, but predict it before it happens. And let's not forget enhanced KYC systems that leverage biometrics and social profiles for better compliance and customer experiences. As the demand for secure, accessible, and personalized financial tools grows, AI will continue to shape how we save, spend, and invest. One thing's clear, the days of struggling with spreadsheets and cookie-cutter advice are officially over. What's your take on using AI for managing money? Do you think it makes budgeting easier, or do you prefer the old-school way? Share your thoughts in the comments. And that's a wrap for today. Hit the like button and subscribe to Market Reflect. Stay tuned for more and catch you at the next one.